outside should move to a shelter inside a strong building and away from windows. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 9:30 p.m. At 8:49 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southeast of Racine to Lake Geneva, moving southeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Kenosha, Racine, Pleasant Prairie, Elkhorn, Lake Geneva, Sturtevant, Twin Lakes, Union Grove, Paddock Lake, Camp Lake, Genoa City, Silver Lake, Richmond, Otters Lake, Como, Lake Catherine, Cal Lake, Powers Lake, Salem, and Burlington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. The special marine warning will expire at 9 p.m.